Hey everybody, welcome to week 4 of COM 211, small group communication here at Eastern Oregon University. Big week this week, get your first part of the group project due, so let's get in and figure out what we're doing this week and what we have happening. So first of all, as far as content, you have both, again, the module readings and the mini lectures this week. We're looking at two different topics this week. The first are group norms and how do we establish and maintain group norms and what are the benefits, the challenges, things that come along with that. But looking at group norms this week and looking also at working in diverse teams. One of those things, it's kind of a double-edged sword. There's lots and lots of benefits. We know that you want diverse teams, but there are also challenges that come along when you have a mix of diverse personalities and perspectives and things in a team. So how do we manage those things and effectively, and so that we can get the benefits of working in diverse teams and hopefully manage then some of the different challenges along with that. So again, looking at group norms and working in diverse teams this week. So you have module readings, you have mini lectures on those things that are in the course shell. So be sure you take a look at all of that. As far as deliverables, what you're turning in this week, first of all, the module 4 group socialization discussion board. That's our topic for this week. And the discussion board has to do with group socialization. How do we bring people into a group? How do we acclimate them and socialize them into a group? What are some of the challenges and opportunities that exist within that? You also have the module 4 quiz, same as usual. You can attempt it up to 3 times and only the high score will be kept. And you should know the drill by now with the module quizzes. So you have that due by the end of the module week. And then, as I mentioned, you have your module 4 needs assessment paper due this week. You will submit just one paper for your entire group. So regardless of who did what on it, it all comes in one paper and submit it. Everybody's going to get assessed on that paper. And then we'll make some evaluations about group work and things after doing this. So, but for now, be sure that you're submitting one group per paper, or one paper per group, for that needs assessment paper by the end of this module week. A couple other notes, just some things coming up in the near future. First of all, module 8, you have your small group observation presentation. So hopefully you've identified a group and are able to observe them the next week or two here and then put together your presentation based on your notes and your observations based on that. So be working on that, though. You'll find information in the assignment area in the virtual campus for that. And then now that we have the needs assessment paper that's due this week, you can continue to work then on that community action project paper, which is the extension of this, the expansion of this needs assessment paper, explaining then what you're going to do. That's not due until module 9, but just assume that your assessment, I'll have notes on your assessment paper, but just assume that by and large, everything is fine and that your project is approved and that kind of thing. So continue working forward on that in the next few weeks here as we get closer to that overall group project being due in module 9. If you have questions about the content, about the assignments, about anything at all, please don't hesitate to email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can there. If we need to, we can then set up a Zoom meeting or something, but start with an email and we'll go from there. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed the materials we're looking at this week, and I'm looking forward to seeing your group papers, your needs assessment papers. These projects are always really exciting and a lot of fun for me anyway. And in the meantime, I just hope everybody has a fantastic week.